Hey guys, Amanda Zito with the Zito Group here. And if anybody's been paying attention to the news lately, there's one thing on all of our minds, and that's what I want to talk to you about today. Inflation. It's hit a 40-year high. And now if you're thinking about buying a home, this news may make you wonder if you should wait. Here's what you need to remember. In times like these, you want to be invested in an asset that outperforms inflation, and that's where homeownership comes in. This graph shows the average inflation by decade compared to home price growth going all the way back to the 70s. The blue bars are average inflation rates in each decade, and the green bars are the average home price appreciation. What this tells us in most decades, housing has outperformed inflation. The big takeaway here is history helps prove homeownership is a great hedge against inflation. So if you want to buy a home today, don't let the latest news stop you. Let's connect so you have a local expert on your side to give you the home buying advice you need every single step of the way. Call me, text me, shoot me a DM, concerns, questions. I'm here to answer them for you. I hope this was helpful. Take care.